Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a chilled puppy from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center with the nose. We're going to draw in a curved line on the top, curving this around, pulling that back down on the right. Let's start underneath. We're going to curve this over and through on the right, closing that off. Now on the top, let's draw in a sideways oval for that highlight. And then now let's just color in the nose black. Let's come down for the mouth. From the center, we're going to curve this line around and out on both sides. For the tongue, stepping down, curving this around, pulling that back up and through on the right. For the bottom of the mouth, we're just going to curve that line in on both sides. Now let's color in the back of that part black again for that open mouth. Let's draw in the eyes. Stepping over, we're going to arch this line over and across. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to draw in a nice big circle above. So we're just going to curve this around, pulling that back through on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's come through on the top. Let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we'll come down on a diagonal, replicating that, making the second one smaller. Now let's color in our eyes black. Let's move up for the eyebrow. We're just going to curve this around and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's come underneath and we're going to draw in the face. So starting right underneath for the chin, we're going to curve this line across. On both sides of that, we're going to arch this out, tucking that back down. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back up and across. Now from the edge, curving this down, pulling this back in. Now we're going to curve this out, tucking that over and through towards the side of the eye. And then on either side, we're just going to curve this up to the top. Now in the middle here, we're going to curve this out and in on both sides. Let's continue to curve this across. We're going to arch this out, tucking that back in. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line down. Now let's come up. We're going to arch this line out and in for the ear. Let's come back down again, curving this over and in. Let's move through from that edge, curving this over and up. And then let's come back through towards the top, arching this around and then back in. Let's come up. We're going to curve this down and back through. Now let's come down for the hands. So we're going to step, or the paws. So we're going to come over on a diagonal and we're going to draw in a sideways oval. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve two lines that come in towards the middle. We're going to draw in the cooler that the puppy is sitting in. So we're going to draw in a straight line across right in the center. We'll extend this out on both sides. Let's curve this out on the edge, tucking that down. And then we'll flatten this out on the bottom. Now let's come up. We're going to, on the left-hand side for the body, curve this down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down on a diagonal again, curving this around and in. And then one more time, just tucking this down towards the top. Let's move in behind for the top of the cooler. So we're going to arch this out, pulling this down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now let's come up. We're going to bring this line out on either side. And then we're going to round that edge out, tucking this down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's draw on the cooler underneath. So stepping in, we're going to curve this line down to the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. Let's step in. We're going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming up on either side, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to flatten this out on the very top. We're going to draw in the paw print right in the middle here. So on the top, let's draw in an arch line. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line out, tucking this back up and into the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, blending that together. Now in the center, we're going to draw in 2 ovals on a diagonal, just leaving our gap right in the center. And then coming over one more time to finish that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Chill Puppy from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.